Should you install your drywall panels vertically or horizontally? Well, for me, it really depends on the situation. Take this makerspace, for example. I've hung many of my drywall panels vertically, but I'm getting ready to hang drywall horizontally on this wall. So here's why I took the vertical installation route on this wall. This is a long wall, over 200 inches. The longest piece of drywall I could find in my area was only 12 feet, or 144 inches. So just one panel wouldn't span the entire length of the wall. This means that I would have had to install panels adjacent to one another with an unbeveled joint between them. This is called a butt joint. For a DIYer like me, a butt joint takes forever to mud after installation. That's why drywall panels are built with compressed beveled joints. These beveled joints are a bit depressed or sunken in compared to the rest of the panel, making it so much easier to mud after installation. Butt joints, on the other hand, are the literal worst. That's something that humans and drywall have in common. Their butts really stink. Thank you very much. If that joke made the final cut, my apologies. So I hung drywall vertically to avoid butt joints on this wall. Now, it's a different story on the exterior wall of this room. Vertical installation would have been fine. I've built this room in a walkout basement though, and I want to minimize the impact of potential water issues down the road. So I've purchased a sheet of mold and moisture resistant drywall to install along the bottom of the wall. Also, the length of the wall is broken up with the exterior door, so I won't have a butt joint on this wall running drywall horizontally. That's why I'm choosing this installation approach along this wall. If installed and mudded well, the choice you make with your installation approach won't make a difference on the final product. Both vertical and horizontal installations will offer the same opportunity for a nice, flat wall finish. So choose the approach that makes the most sense for you. If you'd like to see an easy hack for cutting electrical box holes in your drywall, you can click the next video linked here. And if after seeing this video you feel like I've earned your subscription, you can do so by clicking the ManCycle logo right here. See you next time.